Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see likes without premium on Happn. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your app and sign in. And then right over here you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? So for example, here in this explore section you will find profiles to browse through, and you can simply go ahead, like and dislike them, and they can do the same, right? Once any of the profiles have liked your profile, you will be able to tap on this little heart icon called likes in the bottom, and you will be able to find out all of the profiles that have liked you. You do not have to pay for any subscriptionship. You will be able to check out them. There might be some limitations, but you will be able to check out all of the accounts that have liked you, and you will be able to browse over here. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.